hashtag is dead. You see this video right here, it's one of the video I posted during my 7 days challenge, and I can tell you that this video is one of the best among it, and it didn't have any single hashtag on it. Like, we have been using YouTube tips, how to grow on YouTube, like viral video, thinking that it will help us to get discovered, it will help our video to get discovered. But let me tell you this, in this 2025, hashtag doesn't do what it used to do anymore. In this video, I'm going to show you why hashtag has stopped working, the real reason why YouTube is quietly replacing them, and what you should use instead if you really want your video to rank and get more visibility on your channel. So before you upload your next video, make sure you watch this video till the end, because this could be the difference between you getting 20 views and getting 1k views on your video. So let's start from the beginning. In the olden days, hashtag was the real deal. Like, we used to put hashtag how to, hashtag viral video, hashtag funny video, and YouTube will use that tags to know what our video is all about. Like, YouTube uses hashtag to categorize our videos. Like, when somebody comes to YouTube search bar and types how to do this, how to do that, like viral video, something like that, something related to the hashtag that you put on your video will fall out on the group. But here is the thing, YouTube algorithm has changed, especially in this 2025. A lot has been going on. Like, YouTube no longer uses your hashtag, it now uses your contents, your description, your title, even what you said on your video. Like, when you repeat words on your video, the same words you put on your description, on your title, and what you said on that video, that is what YouTube uses in this 2025. YouTube confirms that hashtag has little or no impact in discovering your video now. In fact, like, it doesn't help to rank your video in the SEO. Like, hashtag is clickable, yes, but how many people do click on it? Barely no one. Instead of hashtag, YouTube now uses contents, title, description to categorize your video. Like, when you put how to grow on YouTube channel and you said those words, you repeat those words on your video, you repeated it on your description and on your title, the algorithm has already known what your video is all about without hashtag. Hashtag can even confuse the algorithm. Like, when you put hashtag that doesn't match the actual video, like go viral, funny short, like all this type of hashtag, and your video is all about education, the algorithm might not know the actual audience they will push that video to. Like, if you have been putting 15-20 hashtag on your video thinking that it will make you to get view, it will make you to discover your channel, please stop. You are just wasting your time, you are even possibly killing your views. So let's talk what replaces hashtag that will help your video to rank. YouTube reads your title first, so use searchable keywords like how to grow on YouTube than creative one. Like, you know that when you come to YouTube search bar, you need to type something that will make you to get what you are looking for. So don't just come to your title or your thumbnail and write YouTube secret. Nobody will search about that on your search bar. But when you use how to grow on YouTube channel for small creator, this is a possible phrases that people can come to YouTube search bar and type. So this is the type of phrases you use on your title. Second one is AI driving understanding. Now YouTube gives the script to AI, analyzes your script with what you said on your video. Repeating words like how to grow on YouTube channel every time on your videos helps YouTube to understand what your video is all about. Repeating how to grow on YouTube channel and also repeating it on your title and on your description actually helps YouTube to understand what your video is all about. So that is another thing you have to put on your video. Anytime you are making video, always repeat the main key of that video so that YouTube will understand it easily what this video is all about. Third one is tag in short and metadata. Like, instead of you to use hashtag, YouTube now reads the first and second line of your description. That is where your keywords supposed to live. And they also check your category. If your category match with what you said on your description, your video is going. The fourth one is playlists and titles. I have always advised this. make a playlist, create a playlist on your channel, and if you create it, organize it very well so that it will be saying the same thing. YouTube normally understand your channel better if you have a playlist that is well organized. For example, a playlist on how to grow on YouTube channel, and the videos there is all about growing on YouTube channel. YouTube tends to promote that playlist very well. So if you have not created playlist on your channel, make sure you do that now. The final one is engagement signal. Always make your video, the first 5 seconds of your video, to be interesting. Like, make it to retain people, to retain your audience, because now YouTube uses 24 to 72 hours of your video to know whether to push that video or not. So encourage people to like, comment and share your video, so that when they comment, you come back and reply. YouTube tends to push that video very far because it will give them signal that this video is making sense. So instead of you to focus on putting 10 hashtag on your video, this is what I normally do. Just write out one focused keyword title, then use 2 to 3 sentences on your description, repeating those words that you said on your video. That keyword that the video is all about, repeat it, and repeat it maybe 2 to 3 times on your description and then on your title. Also use it on your comment section. So 2 to 3 keywords are okay. It's what I normally do, and that is what is working. You can as well make your own research about everything I said today. If you get any information, please make your own research, because all of us are making research. This is what I know that is working on YouTube in this 2025. So make your own research. Hashtag is not the magic that is making people's video to trend now. Just use a clear word, use a focusing title, keywords, add keywords on your description on your video, repeat the keywords on your video, and you will see that your video will get more views than before. YouTube has changed, especially in this 2025. It's now more smarter, more good, more fun to cooperate with, and so on. So this is the end of today's video. I hope you find it helpful. If you do, please do well to subscribe, comment, share, and hit the bell icon to be notified anytime I post a new video. See you in my next one.